So I'm giving the boys a little snack here. Mokie was out here. Where'd he go? So I'm giving the boys a snack. Mokie was out here. Oh, there's a little rabbit. I thought Mokie was like right over here. So on the iPhone, when you're filming, if somebody calls, it cuts off the damn video. Chuck kept calling me like 3 or 4 times. I'm like, dude, take a hint. So I had to tell him. So I'm feeding the horses, and it's like an episode of The Birds out here. I mean, it is just like they've infested me. I don't know if anybody remembers the old Hitchcock film about birds. But they have just like... Smokey was out here. He was like, dude, it's like a heyday. I'm going to give me some birds. Where was he? I bet he's hiding out here somewhere. He was just out here stalking all these birds. Is he underneath there? Oh, there he is. He's underneath hiding. He's waiting for a bird. Let me lay down. He's waiting for a bird to come over here so he can snack it. Oh, shit. So anyway, man, these birds are just like crazy. And the trees are still full. Freaking Mokie is just like, yeah, this is great. I'm gonna get me some dinner. I'm gonna walk toward him. Dun 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 dun. Run! They're coming! Run! Run! Holy cow! There's some freaking birds out here, let me tell you. I don't know what happened, but it's like bird invasion. Shit, I just came out here to feed the horses. Now it's kind of nippy because I got all focused on the birdies. See, I can't see on my screen if the birdies are coming out, but the trees are like full of them. This is like Mokie heaven. He's like, dude, I got targets opportunity everywhere. Holy smokes. Look, see, Mokie came out now. See him sitting over there? He's on top of the wood pile. He's like, come on, Dad, let him get a little bit closer. I'll get him. Mokie, what are all the birds? You should have saved Dad. It was really scary. I need to stack some more firewood. I'm running low on firewood. But Mokie was just like, dude, Mokie, you got food for days. Look at all the birdies. He's like, just let one get a little closer. A little closer. If I could just get one of those suckers a little closer, Dad, I'll feed us for weeks. Oh my goodness! The birdies are everywhere! It's crazy birdies! Oh my goodness me! Little rabbit's like, I don't care about stupid birds. Come on. Come up here and I'll pet you. Come on. Come on. It's crazy birdie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's crazy birdie season. What do we do? They're going to get Mokie. They're going to get Mokie. Oh my goodness me. Well, I wanted to grab all these birds. Chucky kept calling me, being a pain in the butt. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. I got to call Chuck back. See y'all.